Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be talking about something that I want you guys, or that every photographer should have on your phone. So you probably already use this app. It is Lightroom. So you probably already used it on your computer or something, but I actually recommend you having this app on your phone as well because it's actually free on your phone. So, and if you already have a Adobe Creative Cloud account, you can actually link it to that, and you can actually see your photos that you took, and you can actually see them on here. So if I go here, I can see all my photos that I've recently taken um, over this past few months. So yeah, here's a few things you can do with this app. So first thing you can do is you can actually use this to get your manual functions of your iPhone camera. So if you see here, you can actually see shutter speed right here. So you can actually see that there's the shutter speed is right there. I can actually try to move the camera a little closer. Um, so the shutter speed's right here. You can actually change it uh, to the way you like. You can actually see it on here. It actually gives you some manual functions. Also, it gives you a little bit of control over your ISO. So you can see here ISO, you can bring it down, you can bring it up, and you can actually put it to auto, and and then also your white balance. It gives you a little more control over your white balance, and a little more than the iPhone app usually does. So that also there's different lenses. There's different lenses, you can access those. Of course, the iPhone camera already has those lenses, but it gives you a little more manual functions, so it gives you a little more control over your, you know, um, your phone camera. So, and let's actually go back to the photos. So we can actually go to photos here. And as you can see, I've actually edited these photos. I can actually see them on my phone, and I can download them from my phone and straight on my phone. Actually, let me switch over to the the autofocus on the lens. I had it on manual, so it was kind of weird. So you can actually see that I can download the photos from here on my phone. I can change around the settings. If I have any presets that I want to use, I can download them on my phone, or actually still access my presets. So yeah, that's kind of the few reasons that I have for you to download Lightroom. First is that it connects to your computer. Second, that it gives you extra functions of the iPhone camera. And the third, you can also use it to edit photos. And plus, the fourth one, that it's free. If you don't actually have Lightroom, then you're in luck, because this one is free, and if it gives you just as many functions as the paid version on the computer costs gives you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video I made. I haven't done anything like this in a long time, so if you guys are asking for more videos like this, hit that like button and comment and let me know if you guys have any suggestions on a future video, and I will see you guys in the next one.